Hello students, I am Suresha once again here with you. Now I am going to teach you how to submit assignment through Google Classroom. Now first we enter into Google Classroom by clicking on the classroom icon. See, I have entered into the classroom. Now I have registered to only one class. Let me open that class. Tap on that icon. I have to do. Oh, there is no messages. Oh, maybe it is in the stream. Let me check whether there is any assignment or not in the classwork. You click on the classwork. Yeah, we have two assignments. One is in physics and one is in mathematics. Let me attempt physics problem. Okay, just click on it. How to select? Here you have to click on it or tap on it. Okay, she has given a question: practice rules to draw ray diagrams of spherical mirror. Okay, I have done this one using Google Docs and I have converted it into PDF. How to submit that one? This is the major question for every students. See, you have to observe this portion. Here your work is there, no? There that up arrow mark is there. That you have to drag it up to see various options to submit. See, I am dragging up like this. Yeah. Now you can see there is a button, add attachment. Correct? There is a plus mark and add attachment. Now what you have to do is you have to click on add attachment to reveal a different menu which have various options to upload a file. First I will select this one because I have stored that file in a PDF format and it is in my WhatsApp downloads. Okay, let me check whether it is available or not. Click on file. Here it must be in WhatsApp. Okay, how to download it from WhatsApp. Oh, so many icons. Okay, yeah, physics icon. Yes, it is here. Let me download this. Okay, it is in downloads now. I will come to Google Classroom again, add attachment, file, in here downloads. See, physics assignment is here. Click on it. Now it is going to be attached to the Google Classroom. Yes, see, it's already attached. After attaching this one, you have to press this one, hand in. Until unless you press this one, it will not reach your teacher. So what we have to do? We have to click on hand in. Click here. It will ask one question. This attachment is will be submitted. You want to hand in? Yes, you have to confirm it. See, I am confirming. So it is handed over. Now there is one more option to submit. See, it's already submitted. Now there is no option for me to submit again. Correct? See, there is no option. So if I want to show you how to do it using a handwritten one, how to take a photograph and send, no, let me unsubmit this one to show that one. You don't unsubmit, just to show to enable this option. Again you press add attachment, take photo. You click on this option, take photo. Click on it. So camera is enabled. You take photo of that one. Now I am positioning my camera onto my work. This is what I want to submit. Okay, I focus on it and click. Okay, after clicking the photo of the document, what I have done, what I have to do, I have to click here. This is where I am going to tell Google Classroom that I have finished my work. Okay, click there, then it will get attached to my previous assignment. So I am going to submit two attachments. One is in PDF format and another one is in JPEG format, because the photo which I have taken will be stored in the form of JPEG format. Okay, after doing that, what I have to do, I have to click on hand in. If I have one more attachment, then I can press here add attachment. Otherwise, if I want to close this session, what I have to do, I have to press on hand in. Okay, I am pressing hand in. Okay, it will ask whether I have to submit or not. Because I already unsubmitted once, it is asking resubmit. Okay, resubmit. Wait. Yes, my work is done. Work is submitted. Okay, now see, it will show your work is handed in to the teacher. Now it's teacher's duty to evaluate it and give me grade. See, she has given, it's a graded one now, 20 marks, 20 points. Okay. I hope you understood how to submit the assignment through Google Classroom. Okay, that's all for now. Bye bye.